Welcome to 3D comparison. So we are going to compare Hyper3D Rodin against Tripo. And this will be the case study. We see over here that Hyper3D defined this as Star Wars Grogu Baby Yoda toy. Now we see over here that we have 8K texture within Rodin as well. I'm going to add face restore and delight over here for the overall texture. So I'm going to hit generate and we're going to see how that texture will compare. But now let's analyze over here the texture. We see over here the posture. So for this hand, we have the following fingers. For this one, like this. Some other details we do have over here. The following necklace with the skull. It looks pretty good in terms of geometry. We see the face and this will be the back. Now let's jump over here within Hyper3D. So I'm over here within Hyper3D. I'm gonna open the model, which will be this one. And we see over here that the model will look like this. So I'm just gonna compare the overall hand posture over here. So this is pretty good. Keep in mind that this was the reference. And we see over here for this hand, we have the following. For that one, we have those. Now this will be the back. If I'm gonna zoom in, you're gonna see that this 8K texture from Tripo looks pretty good. So even over here from this distance, we see that it's quite rich in detail, both for the skin of the Baby Yoda, but also over here for the cloth. Now I'm just gonna compare the mesh over here for the skull. So this one over here has a little bit more detail. If I'm gonna go within the texture view, it will look like this, while this one looks as following. So the texture is really good over here as well, the 8K texture. We see over here those fine elements on the head. So that is something that wasn't visible over here, as you can see. So over here, it does have some grain added, but it's a little bit different. And the overall look for the eyes of the character will be as this compared to this one. So I do like how Rodin created this. If I'm gonna just take a look over here from the profile, it will look like this. And over here, if I wanna check this from the profile, it will look as following. So in my opinion, both models are really good. Keep in mind that they are both capped at 2 million faces over here. We see over here some fine details onto that here, and this one has those as well. So not sure exactly which one is better. I do like over here the cloth material on Rodin, I have to say. We see the difference between those elements over here and these over here. This is also good, but I do like the overall look on the one over here from Rodin. Even though if I'm gonna go over here for the PBR material or just for the overall geometry, we're gonna see that it will actually look that good because the geometry will be embedded over here within the clothing. Now, if you're gonna compare this with Tripo, Tripo will also have some details over here within the cloth, but overall, most of the details will be over here within the skull. Because take a look over here, if I would just isolate this skull, there are quite a lot of faces within it. Compared to the one over here within Rodin, if I'm just gonna swap over here the texture, we're gonna see that this lacks detail, it just has some cutouts over here. Now, if I'm gonna go over here like this, it does look really good with those cutouts when it's fully textured, so it's not mandatory that we have a lot of details onto that skull. Compared to this one, which the overall texture looks good, but over here we have some various shades of darker gray compared to the one over here. So I do like the overall polish of this one, even though it does have some different gradients over here. Now, I'm really curious, what is your opinion regarding this? I do think that both models are really good, and I think we should go ahead and do a mesh analysis in order to see which has overall generated the best mesh. But I do like the overall look over here for the model on Rodin, and we see the resemblance to the reference, while this one also looks really good, and again, it does look like the reference. Okay, so I'm really curious, what is your opinion regarding this? Do you think Tripo3D or Hyper3D Rodin output better models? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it. Thanks for watching.